Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got a new limited edition unboxing for you and it's from beautybay. beautybay released 7 limited editions. I've got the Juicy Skin lineup. It costs £45. The other boxes range from £16 to £50. Some are skincare, some are makeup, some are perfume. If you're interested in this box or any of the other boxes that are currently available, as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look down there. So the Juicy Skin lineup. I've got to be honest, one of the things that really drew me to this box was this cup. There is another box called the Espresso Glam lineup, and that's got a drinks cup as well. It's got Obsessed and beautybay. I got this thinking it'd be really handy to take to Lithuania with me, where I'm having skin removal surgery. I'm actually leaving in 3 days' time. I know they'll have glasses, I know they'll have cups, but I'm having my top half done, so I'm not going to be able to reach out, lift up high or anything like that. Having a big cup like this with a straw that I can easily drink from would be really good. It's quite lightweight as well. It says you can fill 860 millilitres in this. You've got a little lid on there. I like that, and that'll be coming with me. Okay, on to the actual beauty products then. The Juicy Skin lineup. Okay, let's start off with some masks. We've got Beauty Pro Vitamin C Brightening Facial Sheet Mask. Brightens complexion and improves elasticity to target fine lines and wrinkles. It contains blueberry, yuzu citrus and sea blackthorn. So it's a brightening sheet mask. It has all the details on the back though and how to use them. And then we've got a revitalising sheet mask. This is by FOREO, Manuka Honey from New Zealand. There. This radically revitalising Manuka Honey formula nourishes skin in just 20 minutes. So we've got some sheet masks. Then we've got Laneige, and this is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer, 20 mils. And it's to replenish, lasting moisture, a barrier boost. I love the design. I thought I hadn't had it before, but I have. I've had it a lot recently, I think. I've had a few different ones in different beauty boxes or advent calendars. So it's a water cream, moisturising cream. It feels really nice. And it has a faint scent as well. Yeah, it is nice. We've got Sunday Rain Body Scrub, mango and coconut, with mango butter and coconut oil. And there's 265 grams there. I've got to have a sniff of this. Oh no, why isn't it? Oh, I hate, you know when products have a lid like this, but they don't have a little extra bit for you to flip forward. It doesn't. That annoys me, so I'm going to have to use scissors to open it like this. Just a bit more faffy, but it's not a big deal. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It is so, so nice. We've got Body Scrub by Sunday Rain. Then we've got a cleanser. This is a really good one. This is by Beauty, which is beautybay's own brand. And this is Chamomile and Oat Lipid Cleansing Balm. It works to deeply cleanse and moisturise. Use the AM and PM. And there's 90 mils here. There. I'll show you what it looks like. So it comes with a little spatula, which makes it easier getting it out, so you can get a really good scoop. And that's what it looks like. Apply it onto dry skin, massage it into your face then with some water till it turns milky, and then you rinse off. There's that. Next up we got Mario Badescu, and this is a seaweed night cream, and there is 28 grams there. Again, it's one of these seals, look, where it hasn't got a flip edge, where you can lift up and peel away, so you've got a nice peel. Instead you have to cut around and it's just messy, so I'll leave it. Seaweed and night cream, some moisturizer. Then we've got Haru Haru Wonder. This is Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence, aka, oh my gosh, Maggioli. I am really sorry if I'm not saying that right. 120 mils there, can you see? Maggioli. I don't know. It just says apply evenly to your skin and pat dry. There's no extra information about it, but it's a Korean brand. And it's a probiotics barrier essence. So an essence is a step between a toner and a serum, and it's designed to hydrate and protect the skin barrier Then what have we got here? It's hiding. We got by beautybay, their own brand. This is Lip Prep and Vitamin E. It's an antioxidant treatment that helps nourish the lips. And exfoliating sugar crystals gently buff and melt away to leave your lips smoother and softer. Okay. Just try a bit on my hand. Ooh. Oh, it's fruity. It's just really, really nice and fruity. But you've got a nice sugar scrub there. Yeah, great for the lips. Yeah, I like that. I like the taste as well. I couldn't help myself. Had to try it. Revitacell Serum by Kanzen. Perfect skincare, perfect you. A lightweight, niacinamide serum that promotes skin's health, suitable for sensitive skin and all skin types. And there's 30 ml there. Apply a few drops to the desired area of your skin. Gently massage the serum into the skin until absorbed. And that is it. Can be used morning or night. It's a niacinamide serum that promotes skin's health. And then lastly, last one, we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Delicia Drench Body Butter, Cheirosa 59 fragrance with prebiotic hibiscus and Brazilian soothing complex. We've got a little one. It is 25 ml. This is really nice. We've currently got the full-size shower gel of this cream in our bathroom at the moment. Well, it's a shower oil. It is just really, really nice. My daughter has got the spray and the body lotion as well, because I seem to get it a lot in different beauty boxes, so I share it with her. But she's been wearing it a lot recently, and it smells so nice, especially when she's used the shower gel, then the lotion, then the body spray. Yeah, it's nice, really nice. And there you go, those are all the products in the Juicy Skin lineup. We've got a probiotic essence, we've got a niacinamide serum, we've got a body butter, we've got a lip scrub, we've got a body scrub, we've got a cleansing balm, a night cream, a moisturizer, 2 different sheet masks, and then this massive cup as well. So the Juicy Skin lineup retails for £45 and it has a value of £140. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go out and buy it for yourself, or did you go out and buy one of the others that beautybay released recently? I'd love to know. Or have you seen them all and you just think, nah, do you know what? It's not for me this time. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.